ARCHLine.XP is a complete software for architectural design. The fact that it natively integrates the operating logic of a normal CAD and it's compatible with CAD formats makes it suitable to be inserted immediately into an architectural workflow. I import the file and then an assistant helps me interpret the scale, especially the graphic units of AutoCAD will be updated to the metric units of ARCHLine.XP. It is then possible to filter the drawing and thus fully manage the layers, with the option of turning elements on and off. The drawing can be further cleaned with the filters, where an element type can be turned off. Now I can start the BIM conversion. Click near the start and end points of the wall, then on the other side of the wall. Then the wall appears in the 3D view. Repeat it for all the walls in the drawing. I do the same for the doors and windows by specifying 2 points on the wall that define their width. Similarly, curtain walls can be easily created by specifying 2 points on the wall. In the next step, I unify the material of the walls with a single selection. Now let's see a system of automatic generation of 3D from 2D CAD file. This intelligent tool interprets 2D drawing and transforms it into a 3D model, speeding up the design process and giving designers more time for creative work. The algorithm reviews the drawing and analyzes it, taking into account the specified wall and opening limits. During the review, it filters out unnecessary content and looks for those drawing examples that can be set with high certainty to represent walls, doors, and windows. These are transformed into real architectural elements in the next step. You can quickly create a slab that follows the contours of building walls. Draw a bounding box around the walls surrounding the slab area. Press Enter to create the slab. Then you can create identical elements on multiple floors in one step. This is useful for a repeating floor plan. For more videos, more information, visit our website archline.xp.com and download ARCHLine.XP now.